Whenever we build a contact us form, or any form for that matter that uses Infusionsoft, we have to make sure that the form itself on the Infusionsoft side, so the form that's defined in the campaign, supports the page very nicely, because a lot of times we don't remember that people can hit the submit button, and then if there's an error because they didn't enter the right information, all the required information, they're going to see a form like this. And we have to make sure that this page here is understood by whoever arrives here, so that they're not wondering what just happened. So key components of this when you look at these forms. Um, there are a couple things, so we're waiting for it to come up. Okay, the first thing is we always want to include the logo of the client. Now in this case, I'm going to be assigning one of our team members to update this logo, because the client changed their logo from the time we started the project until now. And so this right here is the one that we should be using. So we should have a logo there. We have to have some instructions. Please enter your information and someone will get with you. Look, there's a little typo here, so I'll fix that. And then you have the fields. These fields are going to match the ones on the front form, otherwise it wouldn't be working right. So that's pretty straightforward. The next thing you have to look at is the thank you page. Now the thank you page on this one is this page right here. Now you'll notice we're in development mode, so this is a link that when we launch the site has to be tested, because this will stop working as soon as we enter www for the site. This page here has to be very well presented. We appreciate your request and have passed along to our team. We'll be getting back with you shortly. This is a standard message, as well as this other one here, so that if there is a spam issue, at least we're pointing it out to them. The other thing that's important is that we use the settings tab. The settings tab has to have the client abbreviation. This is always going to be included in capital letters, so that when we get it at our webmaster address, we can separate the message out from the messages we might be getting from other people's websites. There has to be an email from the client side so that the client gets notified, and this has to be descriptive so it makes sense to them. So that in a nutshell is what our forms need to look like. Again, we're trying to deliver forms that are of very high quality, so that there's a real nice polish to them. It reflects well on us and it reflects well on the client when their customers are visiting. Take care.